Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to easily cut a papaya and make thin slices. Papaya has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces risk of heart disease, contains high levels of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. It also reduces cholesterol levels, a very easy and helpful hack, so let's get started. Today I've taken one ripe papaya. This weighs about a kg. Cut off both the ends. Then peel the skin like this. You can either use a knife or a peeler for this purpose. Then cut it into two halves. Few papaya will have seeds and few might not. In both cases, scoop the inner portion with a spoon. Now again cut it into two portions. Place it upside down and make thin slices. The thickness of the slices is totally optional and you can go with the best to consume. Now it is ready to serve. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. You can either have it as such or add them in your fruit bowls, or even you can try various recipes with this fruit. Very easy hack to cut up papaya, so do try this papaya cutting hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.